going to be very aggressive on this tube now just to see where we have the point of failure. It's about a 14 gauge, 2-inch rectangular tube, and they'll get to a point to where the tube will start to collapse on the sidewall. The tighter that we roll this, the profile will shrink to a certain point, and then it will collapse under the pressure. Actually, this still looks fairly decent. Since I'm bending much tighter, I've switched back to the standard speed. We'll have more rolling torque for the tighter profiles, which require more work. Our bending roll now is at 58.5. The sidewalls look good, with the exception of the scuffing, which we can correct with nylon tubing. Let's measure our central cord, 2 1/8 inch. And again, I'll just do a tighter and tighter pre-bend using the rolling force of the machine. Alright. Let's try this and see what we get. Okay, now I just see where I'm just starting to collapse the tube here. But actually, this is just at the pre-bend, so there's more work here. But again, through the center, it's still half decent. As you can see, we're shrinking this profile just because of the pressure, but we haven't reached a level where we're collapsing the tube yet. Now my bending roll is at 61.3. Typically what we would do is we're not worried about the unbent straights on the ends. We'll trim that off. Now we're at 2 1/4. Same operation after flip. Now I have my bending roll almost at 68. Let's try that. Alright, here we go. We're almost at the point of collapse here. I've made a larger indentation, but still through the center wall I've got sufficient enough sidewall pressure that this is actually rolling well. You're starting to see a little bit of, I have a little bit of extra space here. I can correct this with tooling. This is seeking out the space in my top tool. So that can be corrected by custom tooling. This just shows some of the deformation at the pre-bend because we're actually doing more work here. So we are looking at 5 1/4 inches. This concludes our test with the Eagle CP30R2V. Thank you for watching.